Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you how to download Citizens Bank application on your iOS device. The process is quite easy, so let's jump right into the video. First of all, open your App Store. In the search box appearing at the top of the screen, type in Citizens Bank. In the search result, look for the Citizens Bank mobile banking application. Tap on the Get button and start downloading the application, and you will be able to open the app in no time. With the Citizens mobile banking application, you can go ahead and view your account balances and transactions, deposit checks, transfer money between accounts, pay your bills, and much more right from your mobile devices. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.